Welcome to another edition of Fat Potato Cooks with me, Raj and I. Today we're still in lockdown and today we're going to be making some hummus, a wee line kit with a slight optional extras of chili and caramelised onions. It's very simple, very quick. So what do we need? We obviously need the basic chickpeas from the couple of cans of chickpeas and save the water from it. Tahini, the juice of a freshly squeezed lemon, olive oil, some garlic puree, some salt. Two optionals that we like are some chili powder and some caramelised onions. That's basically all we want. What do we do first? It's really complicated, I'm joking. All we do is empty the olive oil into the tahini. That's that. We then take the juice of the lemon, empty that in there. We then take the garlic, put that in there, and then the salt. You can see where this is going. Chili powder. Give that a good stir. And this is going to be your base of your hummus. Mix that well. Ready for the next bit. There you go. Once that's all mixed, we can then add the onions. End of part one. Now, what we need to do next is, with the help of a friendly food processor, as long as it works, it's fine. We put all of our chickpeas in. There you go. Turn it on, make sure it's all working. Then we empty all of this in. Sides of it, so we'll just give it clean. And you can see it's quite thick and dry, so this is where we'll add the water, and you add just as much as you need. And that's all there is to it. Hummus, as you like it.